Now, I want to thank all of you for also giving me a pretty smooth ride. As some of you may know, Air Force One was built right here in Everett 25 years ago. In fact, I met one of my guys that I met during the tour worked on the plane. So I told him he did a pretty good job. It's flying smooth. I get to see your handiwork in action every single day. But as wonderful as it is to fly Air Force One, and it is wonderful, it's hard not to be amazed by the Dreamliner. I noticed this one's going to United, one of our outstanding carriers, and I have to mention that just because I'm from Chicago, so I've got to give a few extra props there. But this is the first commercial airplane to be made with 50% composite materials. It's lighter, it's faster, it's more fuel efficient than any airplane in its class. And it looks cool. The Dreamliner is the plane of the future.